We're cleaning out my closet. Welcome to this episode of Cleaning Out My Closet. It's probably the first and only. No, I'm sure I'll make this again. I get a lot of stuff. In this episode, we're cleaning out the armoire to make room for a sublimation printer. It's gonna go on this side because I got a normal printer here. Now, why, you may ask? Well, I got inspiration from a girl on Instagram who put ladybugs on a dress that she sewed. And it looked so cute. And I want a ladybug dress. So now I'm going to buy a $500 printer. Does that make sense? No. But first we're going to go through this stack of fabric and jackets, and we got to figure out a spot for everything that's not right here. And we can't do here because this is filled with fabric. And then up top here is fabric and sewing patterns, so we can't do up here. And this is, it won't work up here because there's already stuff up here and it's not really for storage anyways. I had to shut the curtain because the light was too crazy, so maybe now you can see me a little bit better. First things first, I got this on Facebook Marketplace. It's a Cabbage Patch blanket from the 80s. There's a date on it. I think it's 83 or something. I was gonna make pants out of it, or a jacket. Can't get rid of it. We gotta find a place to put it. Next, we have this vest that I use as a pattern a lot, so can't get rid of that. It should go in my closet because I could wear it, so we'll put that in the go to closet pile. Ooh, there's so much stuff in here. Now, what about sewing projects that I started and never finished? I'll have to do another pile for that. We'll do that in the middle there. Oh, what about finished sewing projects? I guess you should go to the closet, right? Oh, but what about embroidery supplies? Oh goodness, this is gonna be harder than I thought, you guys. Usually I'm more organized than this. I have all of these squares that I cut out. Oh shoot, because I was making a quilt and I finished the quilt and these were leftovers, so maybe I should just give these away. Would somebody else need squares? I'm sure somebody would love squares. I also have this sleeping mask that I'm never gonna finish, so maybe I'll give that away too. I'm not crazy, okay? I'm not crazy. I have this dress that I wanted to change into a corset back, but I don't know if I'll ever get to it, so we'll put it into the move somewhere else pile. Oh, I was gonna use this dress for, oh, hello, another square. These are gonna be everywhere. This is a dog sweater. I don't know why this is even, this is your sweater, mister. Bonk. I think I can happily get rid of this because I'm never gonna really do anything with it. Oh, this is a very big skirt that I was going to make into my size because they didn't have my size. Eventually pile. Okay, now this is fabric, but this is Christmas fabric, and I think it's also big scraps. Oh, this is so hard. This one here was a jacket that I was making my son that he probably wouldn't even fit in now because it's just been sitting in here for probably a year. Dude, literally all I needed to do was sew this one. Maybe I could finish it. These are little Cabbage Patch faces that I cut out individually. I was going to use it for a sweatshirt. I don't need you. Oh, but you're cute. No, I don't need you. This is tulle that I cut out of a dress that I don't need. Oh, these are witch hats. Okay, this is, I should probably keep this because Halloween's coming back. Oh, this is the little baby dress I was making. Like, literally all I have to do is add the skirt, but I just couldn't match any fabric to it. Now I gotta see if this is worth keeping. It's stretchy. Oh no, this isn't fabric. It's a dress that I sewed that I never added a liner to the top so that it's just raw edges and I can't do anything with it. I'll probably have to take it apart, but I'll never get to taking it apart. Should I give it away? What do I do? What do you do in this situation? I like screw myself over. This keep pile is just getting bigger and bigger. Oh, so this is a top that I made for a concert that the pieces are falling off. I put it in here to fix it. Maybe I'll put it on the desk so it's like an immediate do. Because I'd love to wear this running. Okay. You can go. Oh, these are napkins that I was embroidering. I guess I could put you in a box with these other napkins, though. Oh! Oh my gosh, this is a hat that I made that was a fail because it was my first hat ever when I kind of started sewing. It's not terrible, it's just terrible. Maybe I could fix it. I love the fabric, though. I don't want to get rid of it, and this was kind of expensive. I don't Oh, maybe we'll put it back on the desk as a fix. I've had this on my desk to fix for like probably a year now. And it just keeps going back and forth and back and forth. Oh, see, this is a skirt. Yes, baby. This is a skirt that I put back in my sewing room because I needed to fix the bottom. Okay, and then I have a couple beanies that I need to embroider, so this will go with embroidery supplies. Okay, and then I have these sweatshirts that need to be embroidered and upcycled. 3 of them that I will put with the embroidery supplies stuff. Okay, so we got through the clothing part and the fabric part, so now it's the stuff part, which these 2 bottom bins are scraps that I definitely could get rid of. Then we have a box of thread and then non-sewing related stuff. And then another bolt. Ugh! Okay, so now we have this bin of scraps that I guess we should open up and look at. Oh, see, these are bigger pieces that I can make like a dress out of and stuff. Oh, this is cute, but I'm not gonna use it for anything, I don't think. Ugh, this is hard. Okay, you guys are gonna be so proud of me, but I'm getting rid of so much stuff from both of those bins. Pretty much all of it except for this small pile. So, go me! Okay, so everything that I'm getting rid of is pretty much in the bag. I'm also gonna go through like these stabilizers and stuff because I've got a lot of them. I have 2 open boxes, so I'm gonna put the sewing patterns and this fabric up here. I have to go through that too, actually. But I'm gonna organize it into boxes and hopefully fit it all up there and just move this stuff in different spots. This is how we started. And this is the finished product. We are done. Now I can go buy my printer. And this is 2 trash bags full of stuff that I am getting rid of.